Fun with fractions, proper, improper, and mixed numbers. Hello everyone, welcome to our next exciting English learning adventure. Today, we are diving into a very important part of numbers, fractions. But we're not just covering any fractions. We're going to explore the different types of fractions, proper, improper, and mixed numbers. Ready to get started? Let's jump right in. Before we start identifying types of fractions, let's quickly recap what a fraction is. A fraction represents a part of a whole. It has two parts, a numerator and a denominator. The numerator is the top number which represents how many parts we have. The denominator, the bottom number, shows how many equal parts the whole is divided into. So, if we say 3/4, it means we have 3 out of 4 parts. The first type of fraction we will discuss is the proper fraction. In a proper fraction, the numerator is less than the denominator. That means the fraction represents a value that is less than 1 whole. For example, 3/4 is a proper fraction because 3, the numerator, is less than 4, the denominator. Next up, we have improper fractions. These are the opposite of proper fractions. In an improper fraction, the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. This means the fraction represents a value that is equal to or greater than 1 whole. An example would be 5/4, where 5, the numerator, is greater than 4, the denominator. Finally, we have mixed numbers. A mixed number is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. It is used when we have a value that is more than 1, but we still have a fractional part left over. For instance, 1 3/4 is a mixed number. Here, 1 is the whole number and 3/4 is the proper fraction. And that's a wrap for today. We've explored proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed numbers. Remember, the key is in the relationship between the numerator and denominator. With enough practice, you'll become an expert in recognizing and using these types of fractions. Thanks for joining today's lesson. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in our next video where we'll dive even deeper into the fascinating world of fractions. Until then, happy learning!